Welcome back to another video. I'm going over the 4 SMMA myths that you still believe in and are hindering you from growing your agency. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's going to be a pretty short video, but I wanted to touch these 4 myths that you still believe in because it's hindering you from scaling, getting more clients, and obviously making more money in your SMMA. So like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you all, and let's get right into today's video. So number 1 is you have been told that you have to work for free to get clients, and that is bullshit, okay? People who get things for free do not value them. Think about it this way, right? You've been told to sign up for a webinar before, get this free ebook on an opt-in, and etc. People don't value those things. That's why half of the people show up to the webinar and only 5% buy. That's why people get the ebook as an opt-in to see what's on the next page, and they don't open the fucking ebook, okay? They don't open that thing or that free guide or whatever people throw down your throats right now. If it's free, no one values it, and they also don't take you seriously, okay? If you're gonna do free trials, you have to have a contract in place that holds the client accountable, because everybody's an entrepreneur until the invoice comes or the contract gets sent. Everybody wants to sit there and say, I own a business, I'm an entrepreneur, and that's a famous quote in the niche. Everybody's an entrepreneur until the invoice comes or until they need to make a payment. Everyone is full of shit. Expect that from anybody. That's the first thing. You do not have to work for free. Stop undervaluing yourself. Okay, just because you're new to the space doesn't mean you're an idiot. Okay, you're using your time and energy that is still valued at a cost. And if people don't understand that, then they're not the right fucking clients. Number 2 is you should always be outsourcing to other people first to fulfill the services for you. That is false as well. There's a lot of simple strategies that you can use to get lead-based businesses leads and get e-com stores sales. If you work with clients who are already running ads, go watch Facebook ad tutorials on YouTube that are free. Go buy a program. Go do something and invest in yourself to learn a quick skill set. It's not that hard to learn Facebook ads. I have a whole tutorial on my channel for it, and you can use that tutorial to start feeding your clients results. Lead forms are not hard to set up. If you really want to outsource that bad and you don't want to pay a couple $100 a month to somebody, go on Fiverr and have somebody set up campaigns for you for $50, $75. At least get some foundational groundwork in, okay? But don't just sit there and go, oh, okay, I'm an agency owner, I'm going to outsource everything, I don't have to know shit. You still have to know things to be able to build SOPs around it so that other people that you hire later on can obviously fulfill those things for you. Number 3 is that you need to have a lot of followers to get clients. Okay? No, you fucking don't. When I first started, I had grit, I had passion, I had ambition, and I had no fucking followers. I had a shitty Ford Focus. I drove around local business towns and I closed people in person. I was very, very talkative. I was a good social person. That's a good skill set that you should all learn, and I learned as well. Okay? You do not need a lot of followers. You don't need to have a blue check mark to get clients. What you need is you need fucking grit, and you need hunger. You need to show business owners that you're willing to fucking learn and succeed. They want to see hunger. They don't want to see just some bullshit logo with a stupid pricing sheet. Okay? You need to understand that the world has told you, though, that people with a lot of followers and blue check marks, they make more money than you do. I know people who are verified on Instagram who make less than $10,000 a month who have 1 million followers, and you think that they're making millions of dollars a year. They are fucking broke. Just because you have a blue check doesn't mean anything. You could have just paid for it. It used to be $3,000, $4,000 years and years ago. Okay, it's not the same anymore. And number 4 is that you need to spend money on ads to get clients right off the rip. No, you do not. You need a good appointment setter. You need a good, structure of making Loom videos for businesses. You can learn cold email. These are simple things that I talk about on this channel every single day. You do not need to spend paid ads right away and start fueling your pipeline with a bunch of cold leads, because to be honest, if you overwhelm yourself, you're not going to know how to either 1, close, or number 2, fulfill, which is going to make your agency crash and burn faster than ever. Okay? You can go on Instagram Lives, TikTok Live, you can post free content, it's organic, you can go on LinkedIn and message people, you can go to local business meeting groups, you can do so many other things to get clients. You don't need to run all this money in paid ads that people are telling you to spend money on. So thanks again for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.